How does a caterpillar change? Life Cycles with the Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Are you curious about how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? Let's find out with the Very Hungry Caterpillar. First, caterpillars crawl out of their tiny eggs. They are hungry. What do you think they eat? Leaves. Soon the caterpillars are ready to start changing. What do they wrap themselves in? Chrysalises. Inside their chrysalises, caterpillars first turn into a liquid. Then after almost 2 weeks, they have changed again. They push themselves out of their chrysalises. What have they become? Butterflies. Now you know how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. The end.